Hello, my name is Beatrice Caisson. I come from Tahiti, French Polynesia, and I've been living here for more than 10 years now. I created a dance fitness program called Tahiti Dance Fitness, and I brought Tahitian dance and culture to Singapore by opening my own dance school. So Tahiti Dance Fitness offers both traditional dance, Ori Tahiti, and Tahiti Fitness, which is a blend of aerobic fitness and traditional dance for a great cardio workout. Tahitian dance comes from Tahiti, a beautiful Polynesian island in the Pacific Ocean. This traditional dance art not only tells the story of Tahitian culture, it's also a celebration of life with all its aspects. The reason why I created this dance program goes beyond my love for Tahitian dance and teaching it. Having been teaching for over a decade, and as I have set up several Tahiti Dance Fitness communities around the world now, I realized that my main purpose was not only to teach dancing, but most importantly, what really matters to me was to empower women towards more unity, acceptance, and self-acceptance. I wanted to create a place and a program where women feel accepted for who they are and feel empowered to learn about themselves and grow through dancing. That's what this program is about. It's for women of all ages, all levels, all backgrounds who wants to learn Tahitian dance and who are excited to take a dance step forward to celebrate who they are through Tahitian dance. In this program, you will find step-by-step explanations, all the basics you need to know with a progressive level of learning. I'm inviting you to come join me and all of us. Come subscribe, get access to hundreds of videos, and try out my online classes. I look forward to dance with you and celebrate who we are together.